you feel lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today we are about to do another banger, okay? Now, in the last episode, I showed you all how to curl up your hair with the product. And I told you with that product, you can slick your hair down when you're ready to restyle it without having to wash the product out. So now, let me show you what I am talking about. Now, here I am just simply parting my hair, all right? You want this part to be neat. Now let's get ready to set the back. We are parting our hair off into really 5 sections, y'all. And I will tell you why and give you little tips and tricks throughout the video. So once you get in the back, you all, I am just parting off my hair and then we are going to set it. We are going to use a band and we are going to ponytail the back of our hair. But we're not going to put one ponytail back here, guys. We're going to put 3, all right? Now, at this point, I do not want y'all to worry about making this style neat or anything because the majority of it will be covered up. Now, throughout the video, I will be giving you tips and tricks on how to enhance this style, how you can change it up and make it yours. So watch the video to the end so you will not miss a thing. Now, at the end of rubber banding your hair, it should look like this. Now, I am going to give you a spin so you'll see how to section off your hair. Now we are going to move to the front of this hairstyle and we are going to take a small section like this and we are going to put a band on it. Now this is very important. When you rubber band your hair, do not make the rubber bands tight. There's no need to put unnecessary tension on our follicles and on our hair. We want this hairstyle to last without having any pain. So it's going to look like this and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Now I will be showing you how to set the front of your hair, so just sit back, enjoy the video, and do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Now this is the way one side of my head is looking. Now the reason why I did my hair like this, put it in rubber bands, is because I have product on my hair, and if I would have French braid my hair, the braid wouldn't have stayed. So I decided to rubber band my hair. The rubber bands are not tight, and I set my hair like this. So at this point, you're just going to make sure that everything is smooth and neat, and we are going to make the other side match what we just did. Okay, so our hair is set and now it is time to put it in perfection. We are going to smooth down everything, and y'all know what we're going to use? We're going to use this OK Men's pomade. I love this stuff, guys. I really do. It holds very well, and this is what we used in the previous video to set our hair. So after we smooth down everything, we're going to make sure it stay in place because we're going to wrap up our hair. We're going to wrap up our hair and then we are going to the store. I am about to go out here to the store because I think I want some color in my hair today. So there's some other things I have to pick up, and when we come back, I will finish the hairstyle. I am back from the store, and when I was there, y'all are not going to believe what I found. I went in the store and they had boxes and boxes of hair. 50% off, y'all. Y'all know I grabbed a lot. Girl,
I don't know if you're gonna find more ones or.
I wanted some red too.
Okay.
So this is all 50% off in here?
I'm guessing.
Oh, wow. Let me get to looking. Now, y'all, when I got to that store and went to the back, they had all of this hair on the floor in boxes, half off. This is what's up. I could just find some color.
I'm gonna say I done found 3 ones.
I just wanted to mix a little bit of color in there. Yes, so when I was in there, I was looking through them boxes, y'all. I bought a couple of things because they had a lot of things on sale. Yes, they did. So one of the things that I ended up getting was this. Okay, this is Glance Braids, Gorgeous Locks, 20 inches. And it was basically $11, but they had it on sale for $4. Yeah, they had it on sale for $4. And I had gotten another one. And this is Glance Braids, and this is 14-inch stretch Gorgeous Locks. And this was on sale for $3.99. The original price was like $8, $7.99 there, but they put it on sale for $3.99. So yeah, we are going to work with these 2 packs of hair. Yes, we are. While I'm taking this scarf off, y'all, comment, like, subscribe, and share, thumbs up, and hype the video. Let's see where we are. Look at that. All right, we are here with our hair, y'all. We are right here. Now, so it looks like this. It has the curly cues on the end. You see that? It has the curly cues on the end, has the knot there. So since we have our hair set like this, we are going to try to make this hair stretch for this style. All right, guys, now for the shorter pack of hair, 24 came in 1 pack, so I am going to use 12 on each side. I have separated them, so we're going to start on this side first. Now, y'all know how I can switch up when I do a style, so watch to the end so y'all won't miss anything. So what I'm going to do, because this is crocheting hair, there's a few ways you can put this in, but let's just take it. I'm going to show you that you can crochet it if that's what you want to do. And along the videos, I'll show you a different way that you can do this. Put that in there. Whatever is going to make it easier for you, okay? So we have that in there. Now that we have that in there, since this is twisty hair, what you want to do is just twist it. And really, y'all, this is all I am doing. This is all I am doing. It's just twisting and placing. So we crocheted that braid, right? But if you want, you could just take a pin, stick it through the crochet, and place it wherever you want to place it. Okay? But I would say I like the crocheting because we're going to be placing pins throughout our hair to stabilize the twists. So maybe crocheting is the way to go as far as to put the braid, you know, in your hair. And that's all you're doing, y'all, is twisting. We have the first twist in. What I am going to do, I'm going to go from each braid. I'm going to go up here, then down here, up here, down here, up here, down here. Now, let's see. Because I want to incorporate the color where you can see it in the front too. So let's open this one up. And the reason why I got this one long, because it'll take up more space on the braids. So we have split up the hair, the longer hair. I'm gonna put that over there. And let's take a long piece this time, y'all. Let's take a long piece, crochet it in over here. And you know what? Y'all gonna see that there's different ways that y'all can do this as you go along. So what I am going to do, because I don't want any curly cues sticking out, I'm just going to attach it to this twist here. Okay? I'm going to attach it to that twist there, twist it down a little bit, and then I am just going to place a pin. Now I'm going to tell you all, I'm not putting these pins against my hair. I'm taking these pins through the twists. I'm taking them straight through the twists. I grabbed that little end there, y'all. And I am going to twist.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. When a day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part, when we get it on. I'm addicted, no denying it. Cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it. I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need.
I'm about to get 30. Your last one made you 30. Now you get yourself a freaking little dude. In the mood 24/7, 6911. So you're making it, but I'ma just stop for a moment. Do you really?
All right, y'all, we have reached the back of our hair and we got back here quick because we are twisting that hair so tight that it took up a lot of room as we use each twist. Now we are in the back of our hair and now you are going to see the real reason why I put 3 ponytails across the back. We are going to go underneath one of those ponytails as we twist the hair, and that will allow us to place a pin through that ponytail and allow all of the weight of the hair to be distributed across the whole back of our hair instead of letting one ponytail in the back hold the weight of the hair. And the hair is not heavy, but we just want to be able to distribute it evenly. Now, because the hairstyle went so quick, I went on and finished the other side off camera. Now the only thing I am doing here is filling in the back. Now the back was faster than the whole hairstyle because we are twisting that hair, twisting it tight, and it is able to fill in all of the spaces back there just by twisting it and pinning it down. Now there's a couple of things that I like about this hairstyle. You can dress this hairstyle up or dress it down, but most definitely it is a protective style for your hair. Now, only thing I am doing here is filling it in to my preference. I'm making sure that all of the braids are even and that the part of my hair that's slicked down, that it is really smooth and slick. Now, the next day when I took my wrap off of my head, the hair looked even better because it had a chance to settle and to lock into place. So if you try this hairstyle, y'all, I would love to hear from you and how it went for you and would you do it again. All right, guys. Well, I just finished the last twist, so let me give you a spin. I am absolutely loving the way it turned out. I left a little piece hanging here so you will see how that would look. Y'all, we only use one pack of hair, all right? We still got so much hair left over here that it is ridiculous. So if I wanted to fill this style in some more, I can and make it bigger and fuller. But this is good enough for me right here. All right, I am loving the color. None of the pins or rubber bands is hurting my head. Y'all, this is perfect for me. Well, I am about to get out of here. I want to thank you all for coming by, spending this time with me. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to hype the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. If there's anything that I left out, leave it in the comment section down below, and y'all already know that I am going to answer you back. You guys are the bomb. You are the reason why my channel is growing, and I appreciate you guys so much. Now, do me a solid. I have another channel, guys. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we do home decors, hacks, walk the weight off. Everything else that I love to do is over there on Regina's Way. So go over there, comment, like, subscribe, and share, and help both channels grow. So until next time, guys, take care of your hair and yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Where the lipstick, baby? Where is the lipstick? Oh, yeah. Come on, y'all. Come on.